Vanguard Roth IRA Review.
In this video, I will talk about Vanguard Roth. I will explain pros, cons, features. First, let's talk about features. Vanguard is a market leader when it comes to low expense ratios and fewer barriers to access for beginning investors. Vanguard brokerage services are somewhat lacking in real-time data and robust resources for active traders and day traders. But for those with longer-term personal finance goals in mind, like retirement, it offers plenty of utility. Also, Vanguard funds based on target date retirement are available even to those who don't use the trading platform. Diverse investment options. Vanguard offers a wide range of investment choices, including mutual funds, ETFs, stocks, bonds, and more, catering to various risk tolerances and financial goals. Low fees. With Vanguard, you'll benefit from competitive fees, including low expense ratios and no commissions on most securities, helping to maximize your investment returns over time. Automatic investing. Set up automatic investments to make saving for retirement a breeze. Whether you prefer Vanguard's mutual funds or other investment options, automatic investing ensures consistency in building your retirement nest egg. Managed accounts. Vanguard's managed accounts utilize robo-advisor algorithms to automatically manage your portfolio, providing hands-off investment management for those who prefer a more passive approach. Pros. As the inventor of the index fund, Vanguard boasts a legacy of innovation and investor-centric principles, making it a trusted name in the investment industry. Investor ownership structure. Vanguard's unique ownership structure, where the company is owned by its own investors, aligns its interests with those of its clients, fostering a long-term outlook and commitment to low costs. Competitive fees. With expense ratios well below industry averages and no commissions on most securities, Vanguard offers cost-effective investment options that help investors keep more of their money working for them. Security measures. While Vanguard's security features primarily rely on two-factor authentication, the company pledges to reimburse investors for unauthorized transactions, providing added peace of mind. Cons. Vanguard's customer service is only available Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Time, which may be inconvenient for some investors. Basic security features. While Vanguard's security measures, such as two-factor authentication, provide a level of protection, they may lack some advanced features offered by competitors, such as voice recognition and money transfer lockdown. Minimum investment requirements. Some Vanguard funds have minimum investment requirements, which may be prohibitive for investors with smaller initial investment amounts. So there you have it, the features, pros, and cons of the Vanguard Roth IRA. It's essential to weigh these factors carefully to determine if this retirement account aligns with your financial goals and preferences. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.